Hey there guys, welcome back. Today we'll see eval function. The eval function parses the expression passed in its parameter and runs this expression or code within the program. Eval can also detect what type of data is passed in its argument. For example, when we use input function, the input function returns the value in the string form only. And suppose we are not sure about the data which is to be returned by the input. So there we can use eval function to change the data type from string to the desired type. So if we pass a numeric value, then the type is converted into int, or if we pass any complex type, then it is converted into complex, and so on. The syntax of eval is eval expression globals equal to none, comma locals equal to none. Expression globals and locals are the parameters. Let's see about these parameters. Expression, the string we passed, that is parsed and evaluated as the expression. Globals, globals is optional parameter and it is the dictionary. Locals, it is also the optional parameter and it is a mapping object. Dictionary is the standard and commonly used mapping type in Python. The eval function returns the result evaluated from the expression. Let's see how eval function works in Python. Back to edit plus. Let's make a new folder inside Python's folder, 17 eval, and here I'll create a new file, a.py. I have a variable x equal to input, enter a number, and print x and print type of x. We have seen this input function in the last video. So let's see, running a.py, enter a number, let's say 12, see 12, and the class is string str. Okay, so I was talking about this. Here the number is returned in the string form. So what if we want to change its data type? In that case we'll use eval if we are not sure about the data type that is going to returned. So comment this, and x is equal to input, enter a number, and instead of using type conversion function int, we'll use here eval. So eval, and now running a.py, enter a number, let's say 90. Look, this time we are getting 90, and see the class is int. Okay, let's see for another type. Comment this, and x is equal to input, enter a complex. Now running a.py, enter a complex, so we'll pass 2 plus 3j. Look, here we have not used any type conversion function or eval, so we are getting class str. Now let's use eval. X is equal to eval input, enter a complex, and running a.py, will enter a complex 2 plus 3j. Look, we are getting class complex. So this is the task of eval function. Now comment this, and x is equal to input, enter a list. Let's run. So here we'll pass a list. The syntax of list is square brackets. So square brackets 1, 2, 3. Look, the class is str and not list. So comment this, and x is equal to eval input, enter a list. And now running a.py, So here we'll enter a list 1, 2, 3. Look, this time we are getting class list and the list is printed as it is. Okay. Now making new example b.py. Here suppose we have a variable x is equal to 1 and we'll call eval function, and in its parameter we'll pass an expression inside string. So string x plus 1, and we'll hold it in a variable, let's say y, and we'll print y and print type of y. So here we have passed a string value in the eval function. So this string is treated as a mathematical expression where the value of x is 1 and we are adding 1 to it. So this expression will be resolved and the final result will be assigned in y. So let's see running b.py. Look, x was 1 and we are adding 1 to x. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are getting 2 and the class is int. So this is the task of eval function. So I recommend you all to read the library for eval function. There you will get to know about eval in detail. So that's it for eval. We'll see new topic in the next video. Thank you.